everyone, welcome back. We have this SteamPods by the brand Vicks VapoRub. So we'll see its review and demo. Let's get started. So this is a set of 4 SteamPods. MRP is 99 rupees and we got it at a discount for rupees 85 from Amazon. So one SteamPod cost me around rupees 21 and we can use it for blocked nose, cough and headache. It is made from methanol, camphor and eucalyptus and the pods are golden in color, smooth with a matte finish, and when you put it in the hot water it starts to generate steam and dissolve. So coming to the usage, put one pod in a bowl of hot water. Don't boil it after adding, just put one pod in hot water and it will slowly release its methanol effect in the water. Now cover your head with a towel and inhale it for 10-15 minutes. Repeat this process 3 times a day, and after using it for a day you can discard this water. You can use this in your electric steam also. There it works actually better and it will give you relief from a blocked nose, congestion or headache due to cold, and it is recommended for adults, for kids also, but only above 6 years kids. It does exactly the same job as those green capsules you get now, but the advantage here is it's not that sharp, meaning you can easily breathe it in. Whereas this green capsule steam gets harsh and difficult to breathe, especially for the kids. So I got the relief next day. It's effective. I love the product. This product makes your nasal passage unclog and it feels great. So I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.